Good morning students. Now example 1.24. If A is equal to -4, 4, -7, 1, 3, 5, -3, -1 and B is equal to 1, -1, 1, 1, -2, -2, 2, 1, 3. Find the products AB and BA and hence solve the system of equations x minus y plus z equal to 4, x minus 2y minus 2z equal to 9, 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 1. Here two questions are given. First one, the products AB and BA. First we are going to find what AB and BA. Next, hence solve the system of equations. Using AB and BA, we are going to solve the system of equations. Okay. First, we are going to find what AB, BA, and hence we are going to use AB and BA. Going to use AB and BA. We solve the system of equations. That is x minus y plus z equal to 4, x minus 2y minus 2z equal to 9, 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 1. Okay. Okay. First, the solution is start. First, we find the AB, product of A and B. First we write A and next we write B. A is minus 4, 4, 4, minus 7, 1, 3, 5, minus 3, minus 1. B is 1, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 2, minus 2, 2, 1, 3. Now we are going to multiply in these two matrices. How do you find matrix multiplication? How do you multiply the two matrices? Yes. First we take first row and next matrix we take first column. We multiply in these numbers minus 4 into 1 minus 4, 4 into 1 plus 4, 4 into 2 plus 8. Next we are multiplying first row with the second column. Minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4, 4 into minus 2 minus 8, 4 into 1, 4. Next we multiplying first row with the third column. Minus 4 into 1 minus 4, 4 into minus 2 that is minus 8, 4 into 3 12. We finish the first row with the 3 columns. Next we take second row with the first column of minus 7 into 1 minus 7, 1 into 1, 1, 3 into 2 6 plus 6. Next we take second column with the first matrix second row. Minus 7 into minus 1 that is plus 7, 1 into minus 2 that is minus 2, 3 into 1 that is plus 3. Next we take third column with the first matrix second row, that is minus 7 into 1, minus 7 plus 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 3 into 3 plus 9. Okay, next we take the last row, that is third row with the first column. 5 1 is 5 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Next we take second column. 5 1 is minus 5 minus 3 into minus 2 that is plus 6 minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Next we take last column with the first matrix third row. 5 1 is 5 minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6 minus 1 into 3 minus 3. We simplify the numbers. Minus 4 plus 4 cancelled, so we get the answer 8. Then minus 4 plus 4 8 minus 8 that is equal to 0. Minus 4 minus 8 minus 12 plus 12 we get the answer 0. Minus 7 1 plus 6, 1 plus 6 7 minus 7 0. 7 plus 3 10, 10 minus 2 8, minus 7 minus 2 that is minus 9 plus 9 equal to 0. So here also 5 minus 5, here also 6 minus 6, here 11 minus 3 8. So we take the common element 8, we get the identity matrix. There is very good, 3 cross 3 identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So we write 8 into I3. Are you understand? 8 into this is 8, here is 8, this is I3. So we write 8 into I3. So AB is equal to what? AB is equal to 8 into I3. Next we are going to find BA. Similarly, like AB, first we write B, next we write A. So we multiply in these two matrices, we get the answer, same answer, 8 0 0 0 8 0 0 0 8. So we take the common element 8, we get the same answer, 8 into I3. Yes, we compare the two products AB, BA, we get the same answer, 8I3. What do you understand, ma'am? AB is equal to BA is equal to 8 into I3. First we divide 8 by AB and BA. So 1 by 8 into A with B equal to B into 1 by 8 into A equal to I3. Now, are you understand? 1 by 8 into 1 by 8 A into B, B into 1 by 8 A is equal to I3. This is inverse. Inverse, that is A into AB is equal to BA is equal to I. Then A and B are both inverses to each other. Here B inverse equal to 1 by 8 A. Here B inverse equal to what? This 1 by 8 into A. B inverse. Okay. Are you understand? B inverse equal to 1 by 8 into A. Now, what's our next question? Yes. Next question, the system of equations. We are going to solve the system of equations. 3 equations are given. X minus y plus z equal to 4. X minus 2y minus 2z equal to 9. 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 1. How do you write in matrix form? First we write matrix form of coefficients of x, y, z. That is 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 2 minus 2, 2, 1, 3 into x, y, z, that is column matrix, is equal to 4, 9, 1. This is also a column matrix. Now the system of equations can be written as Ax equal to B. Here A, this is A, x equal to B. This is general form. But here in the given sum, this matrix is equal to B. In the given sum, B is equal to 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 2 minus 2, 2, 1, 3. So B into XYZ is equal to 4, 9, 1. Then we are going to find XYZ, this unknown variable, this column matrix. We are going to find the column matrix XYZ. Then how do you find B inverse? We are multiplying B inverse with 4, 9, 1. B inverse with 4, 9, 1. Do you know B inverse? Yes. Just we find B inverse. We are already find B inverse. Here B inverse equal to 1 by 8 into A. B inverse equal to what? 1 by 8 into A. We substitute the answer. XYZ equal to B inverse with 4, 9, 1. Then B inverse equal to what? 1 by 8 into A. This is our A, given A. So we substitute A and we multiplying with column matrix 4, 9, 1. How do you find? Do you know 3 cross 3 matrix with a column matrix multiplication? Yes. We take first row this column matrix. 4 4s are minus 16, 4 9s are 36, 4 1 is 4. Next we take second row with the column matrix. 4 7s are minus 28 plus 1 into 9 9, 3 1 is 3. Next we take third row. 5 4s are 20, minus 3 into 9 minus 27, minus 1 into 1 minus 1. So 1 by 8 into, here is simplifying. Listen, 36 plus 4, 40 minus 16 equal to 24. Here minus 28, 3 plus 9, 12. Subtracting, we get the answer minus 16. 20 minus, we add the same sign, minus 28. We get the answer minus 8. We divide the three numbers by 8. We get the answer 3 minus 2 minus 1. Hence the solution is x equal to, first answer x equal to 3. Here the second answer y is equal to minus 2. The third answer minus yz equal to minus 1. Yes, finished our sum. Okay, are you understand, ma'am? Okay, listen. Next I give a homework to you. Okay, thank you.